a slime from SweetSlimes. I'm really excited to review this. The packaging is so cute. It's like this teal blue, not like the yellow envelopes or brown envelopes, but it looks so cute. But yeah, let me go on ahead and let's open it. Okay. Love me some bubble gum. It's so crinkly. Yes. Okay. And this is just her pages that you can follow her by. I'll put those in the link below. But yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Jayci. And then it comes with this little bottle of activator that is so cute. Thank you so much. Just in case it melts. Okay. And then a care sheet, a slime care sheet. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, let's get this one out. Oh, it's really well wrapped. Oh. And this is what it looks like. It's a 2-ounce slime. There's her little logo, SweetSlimes. That is so cute. And it has not for kids 3 and under. Yep. Sweethearts. Ooh, I'm so excited to open this. This is a cloud slime. So here we go. Let me make sure there's nothing else. Okay. That is the cutest little packaging. Put it over here. Get everything out of the way. I'm so excited for this. Ooh. Right away I'm gonna sniff it. Oh, you know it's good. Oh my gosh. Look, there's her little, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is like a really good slime. Here's her little charm. She handmade this. This is a handmade charm. This is so cute. This is nice. Nice. But yeah, there's the charm. Yes, the drizzles. That's really nice. Nice. I'm in love with this slime right now. I don't think I've sniffed it yet. It has just a really sweet smell. It smells really good. I don't know what the smell is, but it smells really good. The drizzles are amazing. Let me pull out the charm. And oh, haven't quite looked at it all the way. Yeah, let me clean out the front. This is super cute, super cute. I love this. See? May not focus on it. It may not be in the light. It's a cute little charm. Handmade charm. I love that. Put it right there. It's not too sticky. It is the right texture. I'm in love with this. This is perfect. It's perfect, actually. Let me shut up and just play with it. It's so sizzly. Super nice. I am in love with this slime. That was my dog, sorry. I'm in love with this slime. This is so nice. It's perfectly made. It has such great drizzles. It is super sizzly. And it has the sweetest smell. It smells so good. I'm trying to make it into like a really pretty... Okay. I'm failing at this. I've not mastered that yet. There we go. I think I want all the clouds to show. Okay. Super cute. Thank you so much, Jayci. And SweetSlimes. I love this slime. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. And so drizzly. This is like, of my collection, this is my favorite right now. This is my favorite. I'm gonna definitely have to buy some slimes from you. You've got this mastered. This is great. Thank you so much, girl. I'm gonna continue to play with it. I think it's the perfect texture. I can't talk. Perfect texture. Not too sticky. I think if I were to put a little bit more activator in it, I don't think I'd like it. I mean, I don't think it would be the right texture. I think it's just enough it's sticky. Oh, and there's no residue left on my hands, by the way. None. This is the cutest little slime. I could just like throw this in my purse, play with it. It smells so good. Great for Valentine's Day. I love it. Love, 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 love this one. Drop my candy. This is such a great texture. It smells so good. I almost pulled that all the way to my face. That would have been really bad. Okay, while I continue to play with this, I'm just going to go on ahead and tell you her social media accounts. You can go follow her on, go buy her slimes. They are amazing. This one is a win for me. I'm in love with this, and this looks like one of them candy hearts. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. You did perfect making these. These are super cute. Super cute. Go follow her on Instagram at the SweetSlimes 2019. YouTube at SweetSlimes. Facebook at Jayci Ray. Etsy at the SweetSlimes. I'm trying to read it. Store, I believe that's what it's called. But thank you so much, Jayci. This is perfect. This is the best cream slime I've had. Cloud slime I've had. I'm sorry. But thank you so much, girl. Thank you so much, Jayci. This is just like perfect. This is great. I love it. Thank you, girl. Bye, lovely.